Hey everyone, this is the Burning Donut, reporting as live as possible in recorded format. And it's funny, I recorded a moto vlog like yesterday, and before I even could get a chance to upload it, it was no longer valid. So let me just tell you some of the haps that are going on around here. Okay? Let me just get my beauty started here. Yeah. I was just stopping by here to get some beer, you know. And like I said, I recorded a moto vlog last night or yesterday. Well, okay, so I recorded it yesterday. I was gonna post it and blah 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 whatever, and it's not even valid anymore. So just basically, yeah, I don't work at Fred Meyer's anymore. And everyone's like, well, what do you mean you don't work at Fred Meyer's anymore? Well, I mean that no longer am I an employee there. They won't have Burning Donut to push around anymore. Ah, fucking hell. So, basically, it's just like working there. What you might as well just put yourself to where people will just shit on you. It's like every day people come along, they find ways to steal gas, they complain about you, they gotta wait for like 10 seconds, and then they're just like, oh man, I've been waiting here for half an hour, I'm calling your manager. It's like, oh man, what's your name? I want to talk to your manager. And it's just like, fuck you, you know. And because of that, I got like enough complaints against me. I was given the option of either voluntarily quitting or just pretty much waiting till it happens again to get fired. So I was just like, yeah, what the hey, right? Why wait? And on the one hand, it's kind of nice to not have to worry about, oh shit, I'm gonna have to go to a job I don't even like tomorrow. But on the other hand, it's like, oh shit, I now don't have an income. So yeah. Oh crap, hang on. I'll just have to edit that out. Oh. Why I was this far on the other side of town, but I was just like, fuck it, I'll stop by Rite Aid or something, get some beer. And that's what I did. So I don't know, I really need to start making content again, and like that was like ultimately what the moto vlog that I was going to upload was going to be about. And like a lot of explaining about how, you know, I have a full-time job and I have a roommate that I can't do anything around, so, you know, trying to make content around all that is not exactly an easy thing to do. But basically, and then I'd go to show up to work the next day, and they're all like, hey, we need to talk to you. Well, all right. I went there, and basically, yeah, I lost my job. But, whatever. So, I'm going to try to start making content a little bit while I have the time, you know. Like I said, it's kind of what this this Moto vlog is about. And you know, I've been watching lots of people who do moto vlogs and stuff like that. Well, do it with Dan right there, see? And it's like, yeah, why not, right? Give it a try. Now that I actually have a motorcycle, pretty good, right? I mean, it's not as nice as a lot of people's, you know. They almost always have like some really nice like street bike or something. Here I am on a fucking 1980 Honda Goldwing. And I'll tell you, Goldwings are funny motorcycles. Like this here, this is the last model year where they actually resembled motorcycles. Like everything about like 1983 and after, or after 1983, they're all fuel injected and fucking, yeah. But no, I gotta admit, I really like this thing. It's smooth, it's nice, and I'm still learning to drive motorcycles in the street, so it's a learning process. It's gonna work. I know it's gonna work. I think I'm gonna go this way. Well, yeah. So I'm going to try to actually start getting back into creating content. Creating artwork is going to be kind of hard because, like, you know, doing anything in the house with my roommate situation. Basically, I live in a 2-bedroom apartment with 4 people in it. And that gets a little crazy sometimes, and people start getting on each other's nerves a little bit here and there. And it's just like, what are you supposed to do? But I know I need to start making content again. I know I need to start, you know, looking for a job and shit. And who knows? Stuff might actually work. Alright. I don't know why I'm coming here, but fuck it. Oh, goddamn. Alright. But I'm just going to cruise around a bit and stuff, look for work here and there, start trying to make content again. And for now, that's really it. It's not neutral. There we go. So yeah, throwing it out, y'all. Peace.